In this video, we're going to be designing another logo. The difference is going to be that lately the kind of logos we have been designing is like uh, the the middle portion of the circle. The middle portion of the circle was like the middle portion of the circle was hollow, so we're gonna fill it up with some color this time. So as I was saying, lately the kind of logos we have been designing were hollow from the center, so we're gonna fill it up. This time we're gonna be filling it up with some color. So an easy way of, like, instead of making one circle and then keeping it uh, symmetric and then selecting it, putting some, like, it already has a stroke. What we are gonna normally do is, like, don't put any stroke, fill it up with some color like that, and again don't put any stroke. Don't put any stroke, but fill it with some color. And then what we were doing is, like, filling it with some uh, stroke, and then path, stroke to path, and then ungroup, that kind of stuff. Instead of going through all that, I'm gonna show you a very easy way. So I'm drawing a circle here, and then in order to make it symmetric, again I'm gonna keep holding the keys Control and Shift, and then make a circle, bring it in the center. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna be, for this one, what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna do a copy paste here so that we have another circle. So copy and paste, and again we're gonna make it smaller so it can fit the bigger circle, but I'm gonna keep the Control and Shift press so that when I'm, like, resizing it, it is it should be symmetric. Nice. Let's, for so that we can see it, I'm gonna change the color for now, and then shift, I'm hitting shift and then selecting both of them. I'm doing it so that I can align the smaller circle inside the bigger circle. This would align it horizontally, and this would align it vertically. So once they are aligned, all I needed is, like, this one filled up with black color. This is good. But for this one, I want to have some stroke, and the stroke needs to be black. The stroke needs to be a little bit bigger, right around there. Yeah, but I don't want to have any fill. That's all we needed. We did in the previous videos, we did so many steps of ungrouping and then path to stroke and all those things. All we just needed was this thing. Okay, now we're gonna be putting the text in there, and for now no stroke. Fill it with the paint, of course. Needs to have the black. Okay. Let's make it the font a little bit smaller than that. Maybe 40. Okay, let me see. Yeah, right over there. A little bigger than the whole circle, so that it is bulging a little bit out. It's popping out. So again, what I'm gonna do is, like, select both the circles, go to this one and bring the opacity. Didn't like that. Let's select everything over here and try to change the opacity. Yep. So right over here, like in the middle, I'm gonna bring this one here. You can again align this with the center one by selecting both of them at the same time, going to align and distribute, and align it like that. Nice. The rest of the steps are gonna be very similar. We're gonna be making a square here, and this fill is gonna be there, but no stroke. So let's just see, and we're gonna fill it up with the red color here. Yeah, in order to again align it, select selection, select the square and the center circle at the same time. Go to the alignment, align horizontally and align vertically. Okay, now we're gonna have this one and then right click and then duplicate. While this is selected, I selected the center portion and said difference. One more time, select the red portion. This time it's gonna be get selected with the outermost circle, path, and then difference. Bring it like that. So over here, select everything, bring the opacity back to 100. Nice. Well, in this tutorial, that's what. Wait 1 second. How about, yeah, we are at the 100% and it is black. Yep. So this is gonna be it for this video.